Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set Windows 11 to always show the battery percentage. Go to search and then type in settings. Go to open. Go to system and then power and battery. It says screen and sleep, battery usage, power mode, and energy saver. Now look for battery percentage. It should say display battery percentage on taskbar. And we're going to flip the switch to the right to turn it on. And as you can see now down here at the bottom, it shows the battery percentage. Instead of having to actually hover over it to show it, it just automatically shows it. So that is how you set Windows 11 to always show the battery percentage. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.